road, headed home. Going to be home in the middle of the night sometime, about 2 or 3 a.m. About to cross into Wisconsin.
454 in Illinois. When we left over here, it was at 409. That's still a lot of money.
Paisley's getting comfortable.
Mom, can you look at me?
We just had lunch.
Yeah.
What? Is that your sibling barrier?
Yes, Liam and Mariah.
My privacy.
We're at Shields and where are we again?
I got my musky bolt on my head.
Eau Claire.
Or
Shields, Eau Claire.
as Ever says, we're in Eclair.
I don't care. Children are
Yeah, who's gonna win this? Between you guys, who's gonna win?
my face. Liam
How
got
much is your
candid.
fishing rod?
So our phones are going off for a tornado warning in this area. And it is coming from that direction over there. I just hope we get through this area before it hits here. So we don't have anywhere to go. I hope we're not driving right into it. Trucks over there.
All huddled together.
Smart.
Well,
Maybe we should do that.
yeah, good.
Stopped on an overpass.
I get rocked.
Well, we got out of the worst of that storm. There's 4 active locations though. Hopefully we won't run into another one.
Yeah, it looks like they ran more or less like northeast all the way to north.
Looks like we made it through.
Man, that was some bad stuff.
We're about to pass into Minnesota. So we finally got home from Florida yesterday morning. It was either at 5 or 6 a.m. Will and I drove all night, taking turns. It was a long night and we were exhausted, but we hauled our stuff in and got a couple hours of sleep, and then got up again and cleaned out the van thoroughly, made dinner and went to bed. And now it's the next morning. we're still pretty exhausted, but Will is working tonight, so he's trying to get some sleep. Mariah and I just got home from the gym, and I've got to pay some bills and work on the kids' homeschool end-of-year reports and grades, get those turned in, and then once I'm done with all that, I'll get to work on editing the Florida vlogs. So this will be the end of those vlogs. I hope you guys enjoy them when I get them out.